Welcome to a new video. Let's discuss a new set of questions on SAP Material Management. What do you understand by Purchasing Information Record? Purchasing Information Record, also called as Info Record, serves as a source of information for purchasing. It contains vendor material specific information. The info record contains data like prices and condition for relevant purchasing organization or plant. The last purchasing order number, planned delivery time, vendor evaluation date, quotation and ordering data, tolerance limit for over deliveries and under deliveries, the availability period during which the vendor can supply the material. Define Bill of Material BOM. A bill of material is a complete, formally structured list of components that make up a product. This list contains a description and an object number for each component, together with a quantity and a unit of measure. The BOMs can exist at the plant or at the client level. This is used to determine the material requirement in the subcontracting process and the planning run. A BOM consists of a header material and a BOM items. The base quantity in the header material specifies the finished production quantity on which the component quantities are based. The BOM item indicates the individual parts and assemblies that are identified by the material number. Explain the external procurement process cycle. A basic procurement process includes 4 stages: purchase requisition, purchase order, goods receipt, and invoice verification. Purchase requisition. It records the material requirements. It is an internal document and is not used outside the enterprise. Purchase order. It is generated based on the details mentioned in the PR. It is the formal request to the vendor to supply material or services under certain conditions. Goods received. It is the process where the materials are received from the vendor in the plant storage location. It is carried out with the reference to the purchase order. Invoice verification is the process of sending the invoice by the vendor to the company for the goods supplied. It is done referring the purchase order. This is the end of the procurement cycle. Define goods received in SAP system. After processing of the purchase order by the vendor, the material is delivered to the ordering party, and this process is called as goods received. So this is the phase in which the material is received by the ordering party and the condition and the quality are verified. Once a material is verified against the quality, then the receipt of the good is posted. What is invoice verification? Once the goods are procured from the vendor and through goods received it is placed in the company's location, then we need to pay the vendor for the purchased goods and services. The amount to be paid along with the details of the material is provided by the vendor in the form of a document, and it is called as invoice. We need to verify the invoice before paying the vendor. This process of verifying and paying to the vendor is known as invoice verification. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, please visit our website or mail to us.